Good afternoon, this is Jan. I'm at my friend's place. This is
Hello.
And we're gonna cook.
Huh? You have to look.
Oh yeah?
And then this is his girlfriend, Sherry, and she's gonna cook Thai food for us. And
Hello.
hi. And you're gonna cook many things, I see. It's pork, and then we have shrimps. Is that pork?
Chicken.
Oh, there's chicken. Ah, right. Chicken and a little bit of batter. Ah. So here we got paprika, 3 colors, onions. So, Gert-Jan, this is rice.
This is the rice.
The rice.
Yes.
Okay.
Put it in the cooker. And the cooker on, darling? Yeah. Okay. Now, and then it's going.
How many minutes?
I don't know. You should ask them.
Okay.
You
Well,
cannot
we'll
see
see.
that. I don't know.
Okay.
You mean tom yum?
So this is the tom yum, and that's from this package. It's a little bit creamy tom yum, this.
Yeah.
Yeah. So these are onions. It's pork, right? Yeah.
This is
Curry.
Yep.
Is it red curry?
With the egg.
Oh,
Yeah.
I see. Yeah. And the rice is cooking. Now here are the mushrooms. The tom yum.
So everything fits in.
Yeah.
So here we got the tom yum Thai, tom yum chicken. In one pan, and the other pan and it become tom yum goong, shrimp.
This is last thing I put is
Okay, chili flavor. Oil.
Oil, yeah.
Oil. Okay. These are, yeah, chicken with cashew nuts, right? Right.
Yeah. So?
Okay, this is the chili paste. Okay, stir fries. Now chicken goes in.
คืนนี้ถ้าไปลงยูทูบบ่อยจะได้ไปดูแค่ติดหน้าคุณได้มา
So I'm gonna start with the tom yum. My favorite soup. Good. Spicy, yeah. That's right, a little bit spicy.
Little
I like
bit
that.
spicy.
Yeah, I'm a fan of spices.
Not too much spicy.
No, for me it's okay. I like the mushrooms, and now for the most important thing, the shrimp. Mm.
เผ็ด
You like
Very
it,
good,
Jan?
I like it, yeah.
Nice.
It's yeah, the typical, the real tom yum taste. Spicy, a little bit sour. Here I got the curry, red curry with pork. And this is the real curry flavor. I taste some basil. The pork is nice. And then the next dish, chicken with cashew nuts and paprika. Much flavor. It was very nice, real authentic Thai food. I liked it. I got some wine too. It didn't match that well with the food, right, Jan?
Yeah, right.
It didn't match.
Yeah, no, it did not match with the food.
The food, unfortunately.
Yeah, wrong choice.
But you like the wine, right?
The wine is nice, but not with the food. We tasted already before, dus,
Yeah.
this was good, yeah.
We know this wine.
Yeah.
So, thank you for watching this video. I see you in the next one. And remember, keep on enjoying your food like I do.
Tisha want to say something. All typing.